Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how I style my dining table for the casual everyday look that you see here. I use decor from ZGallerie, Home Goods, IKEA, and Burlington, as well as some gifted chargers to complete the look. So let's get started. I purchased these white plates with gold trim from ZGallerie a while ago. They were from the Better Together collection. They came in a set of 4. Each plate has a different sentimental message. The tablescape rests on a gray velvet runner, which I have laid the width of the table. I'm all about displaying word decor, so this home sign that I picked up at Burlington was the perfect choice. I paired it with a mercury glass vase that I filled with some faux flowers that I picked up from Joann. This glass candlestick holder with enclosed beads gave me the ambient table lighting that I desired. Although I haven't used the candles as of yet, it is the perfect choice for an intimate dinner option. I picked up these decorative balls from the at-home store in my area. I didn't want them all to match because I wanted an eclectic feel. Now on to the place setting. I start with this gray and cream cotton fringe placemat. And although I probably don't need this gold one, I put it here anyway because I can see it from different angles when I'm sitting, and it does provide that pop of gold color underneath. I then place this round seagrass placemat that I got from IKEA for a bit of a rustic feel and to add some texture. Next, I went with this silver grid pattern charger to balance the silver from the tablescape centerpiece. I placed this gold flower petal charger on top, so the silver charger beneath just peeks through a bit. I then placed the message plate that I got from ZGallerie on top. I finished the look with 2 layered gray and cream linen napkins cinched with a clear acrylic napkin ring, also from ZGallerie. So, there you have it. A casual, eclectic mix of sentimental, floral, and rustic charm. Hopefully, this video has inspired you to create your own tablescape. Thanks for watching.